Hi and welcome to my channel. So this is another we have another problem now on SaaS. So in this problem what we have to do, so from the order dataset extract only the first purchase per customer per month. So what we have to do is we have to extract the first purchase for each customer for each month. Okay, so this is what our problem is. So if you can see, for this customer ID C001, we have 2 times sales in the month of January, and for the same customer we have 2 times sales in the month of February. So what we want is, because this customer has done first sales in the month of January on this date, on this first record date, which is 1st January 2024. Similarly for this customer C001, in the month of February, the first sales, transaction or sales when this customer has done in the month of February is this one, 02 February 2024. So that is why we want this particular row in our output. And similarly we have to do this for customer ID C002. So I hope this question is clear, and if you want to solve this question by your own, I'll also post the dataset code in the comment section. So let's see how we can solve this. So initially let's try to sort this data by um, customer ID on order date. So we can do this by proc sort data equal to orders by customer ID and order date. Done. So when we will do this, what we will get is, we will get the customer IDs sorted and also the order date sorted. Means higher date will come on the top and lower date will come on the top in the last. So in the next step what we can do is, because we have to find out the first order date for each month, so we can extract the month from each date. And to extract this month, what we have is, we have a month function, because this is a order date is a date type variable. So if we will use month, it will extract the month from these dates. So let's also do this. So we can create one more data set, maybe called D01, set orders, and we are using month equal to month of order date. Run. So let's run this. Okay, so we have the month, and what we have to do now is, based on the customer ID and month, we have to find or fetch every first record. For example, for this customer ID, in the month of January we have to fetch this first record, because this is the first sales or first order that this customer done in January month. Similarly, out of these two rows we have to fetch this first row based on this month. And similarly for this customer ID too, we have to fetch this first row based on this, again, this month. So let's see how we can do this. So we have this dataset now. So now what we can do is, we can create one more dataset D02, and also to do, we can also reduce these steps by converting this entire code into single step. But just for the explanation purpose, I am creating different sort of datasets. And we can do by customer ID and month, and we can say if first dot month, then output. Run. So let's run this. Okay, if you can see, for this customer ID C001, we have this in the month of January we have done this, as of this was the first order date, or this was the first order done by this customer, and in the month of February this row is the first order done in the month of February for this customer. Similarly for this C002, this in the January month he has done this as a first sales. So what we want is, this is our final output, but we don't want this month column. This is month column, which is an extra column, so we have to drop this. Otherwise we want customer ID, order date and order amount. So let's also do this. So we can drop month from this, and also let's do a proc print data equal to D02. Run. Okay, so this is the final data set and this is how we can solve this problem. So going forward, I'll be solving more problems on my channel. So if you like my video or you want more videos related to any topic, just please comment that topic in the comment section. So thank you and bye bye.